Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have admin rights. Without them, you cannot remove the bot. Once verified, open Telegram and navigate straight to the group or channel where the bot appears. Tap the group name to open info, then choose Manage Group or Edit to reveal members and permissions. Make sure to locate the bot in the member list now so you can act. If the bot is hidden, check Channel Admins or Linked Bots in Settings. You now remove the bot from the member list and cut its privileges. Find the bot under Members or Administrators, tap its name, and choose Remove or Demote depending on its role. If the bot has admin rights, demote it first, then remove to avoid permission errors. Once removed, go into Bot Settings or Linked Bots to revoke any tokens or webhooks so the bot cannot rejoin. Make sure to save changes and confirm the bot no longer. Finish by double-checking that the bot is gone. Send a test message and refresh the member list. If the bot still shows up, revoke any API tokens or webhooks you find, remove it from linked channels, and restart the app. Sometimes cached data hides changes. If the bot keeps returning, inspect admin accounts for compromise and change passwords. If those steps fail, contact Telegram support with details so they can investigate persistent or reattaching bots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.